Hi everyone, my name is Michael Awoleye. Today we want to see the power of ChatGPT, what ChatGPT can do for us, especially for beginners that are just getting started using ChatGPT. So we're going to go using ChatGPT. So I'm going to begin to share my screen, and I'm going to share my screen so that at least from the first thing that we have to do, the first thing you have to do is to go to the website, which is usually chat.openai. Chat.openai. When you punch that into the browser, this is what you're going to see. I believe you do not have an account before, if you don't have any accounts before, all you have to do is click on sign up. But if you do have an existing account, all you have to do is to just log in straight away and you begin to perform the operations. So I'm going to leave you to signing up. It's very simple. It's just one step. Get a login name with a Gmail account, and then get ready with a password. That's all you have to do. So when you're coming back the second time, all you do is just go to your login and you type in your credentials right away. So here I'm going to type in my credentials, which I already have there. You just move on, and then you type your email, your password as well to get to log in. You click on continue to move on, and it should give you the prompt page. So welcome to ChatGPT page. So if you have this, the first thing I want to ask, let's try to ask ChatGPT what we can do with it. What can I do with ChatGPT? Just press enter, or you click on that arrow button to move on. Can you see that? Can you see what it's giving us? Can you see what we have? Conversational partner, information retrieval, writing assistance, language translation, programming app, learning topics, creative writing and storytelling, playing games, personal assistance, emotional support, and so much more. So, but today what we're going to do is we're going to do a kind of a conversational thing, like a partner. You ask it questions and then you get the response from the prompt. ChatGPT has a feature which is very impressive. You can follow up on questions. So you can even ask ChatGPT, can you generate 2,000 words essay for me on artificial intelligence or anything? You can do all of that. Let's make it like 200 words so that at least you can do a few things. Okay. You don't have to put a question mark. If you want to put a question mark, you can do the same, but I think some of the time understand what you're talking about. So if you look at that, ChatGPT within the constraints of 200 words is giving us some few things about artificial intelligence. In fact, it's even giving a title, putting a title, Artificial Intelligence, a journey into the realm of intelligent machines. AI is a revolutionary field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of simulating human-like cognitive processes and so on and so forth. So you can also ask follow-up questions. What are the elements of artificial intelligence? Just what are the elements of artificial intelligence? Let's see what we're going to get. Okay, artificial intelligence comprises several key elements and techniques that enable machines to mimic human intelligence and perform intelligent tasks. Can you see that? Machine learning is an aspect, natural language processing an aspect, computer vision is an aspect, robotics is an aspect, expert systems is an aspect, neural networks, knowledge representation and reasoning, planning and decision making, reinforcement learning, AI ethics, and a whole lot of that. It can do so many things for you. So that is what ChatGPT can do for you. You can even ask ChatGPT to put all of these contents in a presentation that you can transfer straight away into your PowerPoint for presentation. It can assist you to quickly, prepare your lectures. It can easily ask you or assist you rather to put together your presentation. So I'm going to say, make a 10-slide presentation from this. You can even constrain it. I say make a 10-slide presentation. The next thing you're going to be seeing is presentation 1, slide 1. Can you see that? Slide 1, that's what you have in slide 1. Elements of artificial intelligence, to artificial intelligence. And then slide 2, machine learning, definition of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, examples, image classification. Slide 3, this is what you're going to have in slide 3. Slide 4, it will give you everything slide by slide. You can also ask it to say, tell it to insert the definition of artificial intelligence in slide 1. And let's see what we're going to have again. So slide 1, title, elements of artificial intelligence, and it's bringing the title, the definition of artificial intelligence. Really, this is large, but then you can ask it to summarize the definition. Summarize the definition in 50 words. It's so powerful. So it's going to reduce that and bring everything down to like 50 words. This is what ChatGPT can do for you. It can also help you to do language translation. Maybe you want to translate a particular word from English to Yoruba, from English to French, and all of that. So let's do a brief of that. Do one or two things regarding language translation. So now I'm going to ask you to say, can you do some translation? Can you do some translations for me from English to another language? This is just to prepare to make it ready to begin to do translation. Yes, certainly. I'll be happy to do that for you. Okay, that's fine, and much more. So now I also want to use it like a translation. Can you translate to other languages the following words? Yes, it's telling me that you can do that. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to say, what is book in Yoruba? Okay, the word for book is iwe in Yoruba. That is crazy. That is crazy. But that's fine. I also want to do some important things, some other things, additional things. Now, let me ask it. What is Asante Sana? What is Asante Sana? So this is like a greeting in Swahili language. So I know that. So Asante Sana is a Swahili phrase that means thank you very much. It's a common expression of gratitude in the Swahili-speaking region of East Africa, which is correct. So that's fine. Let me also ask ChatGPT to teach me 1 to 10 in Swahili. Let's see. Swahili. Wow. Can you see this? Moja, mbili, tatu, ne, tano, sida, saba. Oh, this is love. So you don't need to go to any language teacher. ChatGPT will do that for you. Can teach you any language whatsoever you want to learn. Very incredible. It's so impressive. So it can teach you a number of things. It can be a personal tutor. You can use ChatGPT like a personal tutor. So it's very impressive. So you can, like I said the other time, you can also ask it to use ChatGPT to write blogs, to write essays, to write term papers. Some of the time people think, ChatGPT, it's student will begin to use it to do all of that. Yes, it depends on the way you use it. ChatGPT cannot give you the accurate information, really, in terms of the kind of when you want to use to write papers, for example, academic paper, manuscripts. ChatGPT cannot do that for you. It cannot do it. It does not have the power to write background information for you. It can write so many things that may not really be in line with what you want. It cannot go to literature and then cite appropriate literature. You cannot look at the content of some of those things in the literature and then bring it on board for you, which is a requirement for some of the things you write in the introduction of a paper. So I wouldn't recommend ChatGPT to be used for writing academic paper for me, which is ordinarily not even ethical, the way I see it. So, but then you can use it to write a general essay. Maybe you want to make a speech somewhere. You can use it as a guide to get started somewhere, so that at least you can also go back as well and input a few other things of your choice, which you may want to use by yourself. So
let's go back to using it for translation in French.
In French, you can say what is time in French. Yes, time in French is, it said temps. Yes, I don't know if that is correct. But what is the time? I think I know that. I still remember that. What is the time? What is the time? Translate. What is the time in French? What is the time in French? I expect to write clarity or something along that line. So let's see what we're going to have. What is the time in French can be translated to clarity. Yeah, I think it's correct. This is correct. I'm sure of this. I know this very well. So now let's also try to ask ChatGPT to teach me French. Teach me 1 to 10 in French. Teach me 1 to 10 in French. All right, let's see what we're going to have. Yeah, on those trackers, sang, seat, sept, few, north, dix. Can you see even the pronunciation? The description for pronunciation is also there. Horn is pronounced horn. Then do is pronounced do. Things like that. So
example in Hausa is
I want to eat. Translate this to Hausa. to Hausa. I want to eat. Let us see. All right. I want to eat means inasosin or inasosin abinchi. Yes, inasosin abinchi. Abinchi is food. I think this is fine. If you want to specify food, this is it. This is correct. It's lovely. All right. Let me ask ChatGPT. What is the translation of the following word in Hausa? What is the translation of the following Hausa words? Hausa in English. So I'm going to say Bani Goro na Naira Daya do. Let's see that. See what it's going to have. Give me 100 Naira. Give me 100 Naira. God bless you. It's almost correct. Bani Goro na Naira Daya do hala means give me 1 Naira Goro, for God's sake. So let me tell ChatGPT that no, this is not too correct. Or let me ask ChatGPT to try again. Try again. Instead, I apologize. Banigoro Naira Daya Duala means give me 100 Naira. May God bless. No, this is not correct. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT to. I want to eat. Translate this to Hausa. All right, I want to eat means inasosin or inasosin abinchi. Yes, inasosin abinchi. Abinchi is food. I think this is fine. If you want to specify food, this is it. This is correct. So these are some of the things ChatGPT can achieve for you and much more. So today, this is where we're going to stop so that some other time, or my next video, we're going to see some additional features of ChatGPT. This is just to get us introduced into what ChatGPT can do for us. So ensure you click on subscribe button if you have not done that before, and click on the like button as well, so that subsequently when I post my videos, you can have access to them. You'll be the first to note that new videos have been uploaded. Thank you. God bless. Have a nice day. Cheers. Bye.